4 plus 4y. They're not one and the same because they don't both have y's, right? When we combine like terms, if they both have y's, then yes, we could add them. But since they don't both have y's, we cannot add them. So we have to find the number for y in here, in this instance, that will allow us to graph. Now, after we have those charts and points, these correspond to ordered pairs. And then we can go ahead and graph the line of this equation. There's a reason why
that little thing
we have to graph this line. There's a reason why they're called linear equations. They are lines. Everything you have today is a line. So we fill out that chart, and we go over 0, and we go up to 2. And that's my first dot. My next dot is going over to 8, and not going up at all. My last dot is 4 and 1, so I go over 4, and I go up to 1. All my 3 dots line up in a row, right? So I'm going to connect all my dots in a straight line in order to graph them. Now, they will give you ordered pairs inside this book. They'll give you the chart. They give you the coordinate plane. So if we look at number 1 on page 91, this is the first page where we actually are doing anything. The other pages are just explanation of what we want to do. So, we have page 91 where we're starting. We have 5x plus 4y is equal to, we have 5x, page 91 where we're at. Number 1 is 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. We have to pick 3 xy values. So we're given this table that looks just like this. You're asked to find your x's and your y's. So, Cody, what x values do you want to pick?
0.
Okay.
They're both 0.
Well, 0 right there, right? Then we could have what? 1. And then we could do 2 if you wanted to. Okay? Those are perfectly legitimate values that you could have. So therefore, what I would do is I'd plug in a 0 for x. So this is like saying 5 times 0 plus 4y is equal to 20. What does 5 times 0 give me?
0.
0. So I have 4y is equal to 20. What does y have to be?
5.
Wait, I have a question on that.
I want some more nuts.
But if that's how it is,
Cocoa roasted.
why would you have x and y with 1? Because then, oh, never mind.
Because we have
That'll
to
be 5. Those 5x.
Yes. Okay. So now we plug in a 1. So we have 5 times 1 plus 4y is equal to 20. 5 times 1 gives me 5. So I have to find out a number to multiply 4 by. That gets me to 20. What am I going to do with it? Which one do you think?
There isn't one.
Is there not one? So
It-
if there's not one, is 1 a good number to pick? No. So let's move on. Get rid of it. Is 2 going to be a good number to pick?
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Because 2 once again is 5 times 2 is 10. And then we have to get something times 4 to get us to 20. 10 plus something times 4 is 20, right? 2 is not the best number to pick either. What would be a good number to pick?
4.
You want to say 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we want to pick x for 4, we have to go 5
I've
times
been
4.
recording you for 4
What's 5
minutes.
times 4?
20.
20. So y has to be what? 0. So yeah, that's a great one to pick.
Good job, Cody.
So now,
Ew.
what other x value do you want to pick? What do you think?
8.
5 times 8 is 40, which is about 20. We don't do that.
There are no more.
4 is as big as we want to go.
3.
But I thought you
Yes,
had to have 3 ordered pairs.
we
Kyle,
have to have 3 order pairs, right?
So could
Kyle.
you,
So what can we
can I
do?
use your
couldn't
Sharpie?
you have y be a negative number?
Uh-huh. Why could be a negative
So
number?
you could do like 5x
4
or
minutes.
5, whatever number, some number, and then have y be a negative number.
Okay. What number give me that? What do you think?
8. X could be 8, wouldn't it?
X could be 8. So you say that x is 8. So we have 5 times 8.
We couldn't do 8 though. You just told me we could do 8.
We have 5 times 8. Then brought up the point that we could have negative numbers on y.
Like that, yeah.
-5.
So we have 5 times 8 plus 4y is equal to 20. Well, if we had 5 times 8 is 40, right? So we have 40 plus 4y is equal to 20. And y would have to be a negative what?
5.
Negative 5. So we have that as 0.8, negative 5. And then you can graph that on there. Those are the 3 points you could use. You have to go until you can have 3 points that you
Do
can
they
find.
have to be those, on the X, do they have to be those 3 numbers? That have to.
No. You can pick any 3 numbers you want that will allow you to
So on
find
this
out
problem,
what.
you can have different answers for different people,
Yes.
and you all have.
But when you graph the line, no matter what ones you have, as long as you run it properly, the line will look the same. Because the line is all of my solutions. Alright? That is all a line is.
Here.
So, we are going to work on this. There's slope-intercept form in here. There's other stuff. When we get to those, we'll talk about all those. So right now, work through this as far as you can. Let's go and get started on page 91. Ready? Go. Yes, go.